The revenue f of x in dollars that a company received from sales of a product is given by the function f above, where x is the unit price in dollars of the product. The graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane intersects the x-axis at 0a. What does a represent in context? So again, every question has a concept behind it. This one is asking for the interpretation of what one of the x-intercepts means, and they're saying one of the x-intercepts is going to be 0, a. What is the meaning of a in this case? So it is wise to understand what the function is doing. So we're given already that f of x is the revenue in dollars, so that will be on the y-axis over here. And then the x values are the unit price of the product. So one more thing that's worthy of note is looking at this equation. I'm hoping at this point in the game you guys are able to determine this is a quadratic function. And you know that it's quadratic because the highest degree is squared. Any function where the highest degree is a 2, it's going to be quadratic. Further, I'm hoping you all can extrapolate from this that this quadratic function is going to open downward because of this negative up here. Now, all this is not relevant, but I'm just trying to really remind you all the little concepts that you need to know for this test. So if you already know this, bear with me. If you don't, then really learn this material. So if you are to sketch this on an x and y plot, the graph would sort of look like that, upside down graph. So 0, 0 would be if you charge 0. I mean, if your price was 0, then you're not selling anything. But then what the question is really asking is about this second y-intercept over here. They're saying this is 0, a. So what does that mean? That means you can price your product at a certain price. Maybe the price is pretty high. Let's say this is, just for argument's sake, let's say the price here is $0. And let's say the price here is $39 or something. See, the more expensive your product is, the less of it you're selling. After a certain point, the more expensive it is, the less of it you're selling. So it looks like you're not going to be making any revenue if you overprice your product. So what answer is conveying that information? I think it's C. The unit price in dollars of the product that will result in a revenue of 0. That's it.